From embarrassing to downright dangerous, these 17 car myths will make you look like a complete fool. While some will just make you the laughing stock at gas stations, others could destroy your engine or worse. Stick around because I'll reveal a bonus tip that exposes the most dangerous myth that endangers thousands of lives every year. Car myth number 1. Red cars get more speeding tickets. This myth makes drivers avoid red cars entirely. White cars are actually pulled over most, followed by red. But 35% of cars are white, while only 5% are red. Performance cars like Subaru BRZ and Volkswagen GTI get the most tickets, and they're often red to mimic Ferrari. Speed cameras don't see colors, they measure behavior. This myth makes you look like you believe paint color affects law enforcement technology. Car myth number 2, manual transmissions always get better gas mileage. Manual car sales doubled since 2021 because of this myth. Modern continuously variable transmissions now use 10% less fuel than manuals by offering infinite gear ratios. While manuals used to burn 15% less gas, that's been completely flipped. Manuals are still cheaper to maintain than automatics, but you'll look foolish expecting fuel savings that no longer exist. Car myth number 3. Premium gas improves fuel economy. 16 million drivers waste 20 to 40 cents per gallon buying premium unnecessarily. Using a premium when your car needs regular might actually decrease fuel economy. Premium's higher octane only benefits turbocharged and high compression engines. Regular cars can't utilize extra octane, making this an expensive way to look like you don't understand your own vehicle. Car myth number 4. Filling up gas in the morning saves money. This myth makes you wake up early for zero benefit. Even if temperature affected density, gasoline only expands 0.069% per degree. That's $37 annually in savings. But gas is stored underground at constant temperature, and pumps automatically compensate for variations. You look foolish believing this outdated advice. Car myth number 5. Cell phones cause gas station. Explosions. 40% of drivers believe this paranoid myth. Mythbusters, Federal Trade Commission, and National Fire Protection Association have all debunked it completely. Cell phones cannot create sparks large enough to ignite fuel vapors. Those signs prevent distraction, not explosions. Real causes include static electricity from re-entering vehicles. This myth makes you look scientifically illiterate. Comment mind blown if you learned something your mechanic never told you. Car myth number 6. You don't need antifreeze in hot climates. This ignorant myth costs over $1,000 in repairs. Antifreeze prevents both freezing and overheating. Water boils at 212 degrees, while 50/50 antifreeze mix boils at 265 degrees. Without proper coolant, you risk blown head gaskets and cracked engine blocks costing $2,000 to $8,000. You look clueless about basic automotive science. Car myth number 7. Disconnecting battery tests alternators. This dangerous myth makes you look stuck in the 70s. Disconnecting the positive terminal can fry your ECU, costing over $1,000. Even if the car keeps running, it doesn't prove alternator health. Batteries can maintain power temporarily. Use multimeters or free shop testing instead of risking expensive damage while looking outdated. Car myth number 8. Overfilling gets you more gas. This mathematically challenged myth costs serious money. Overfilling can destroy your evaporative emission system's charcoal canister, costing up to $1,000. Excess fuel often flows back into the pump, but still counts as a sale. You're paying for gas you didn't get while damaging your car and looking ignorant. Comment guilty if you've been falling for this expensive myth. Car myth number 9, bigger batteries improve performance. This myth makes you look electrically clueless. Wrong voltage batteries can explode. Imagine 24 volts in a 12-volt system. Batteries don't affect engine performance anyway. Oversized batteries that don't fit properly damage surrounding components. Follow manufacturer specifications or look like you don't understand basic electrical systems. Car myth number 10. Dish soap cleans cars fine. This cheap myth strips protective wax and sealants, causing paint fade and plastic damage. Preserving paint increases resale value by 20%, but dish soap guarantees the opposite. Professional car soap maintains protection while cleaning effectively. You look like you prioritize saving $3 over protecting a $20,000 investment. Car myth number 11, high mileage cars need thicker oil. This outdated myth makes you look stuck in the past. Modern engines have precise tolerances requiring specific oil weights. Significantly thicker oil makes engines harder to start, increases fuel consumption, and raises temperatures. Eventually, this overworks the oil pump and damages components. Stick to specifications or look clueless about modern engineering. Car myth number 12, change oil every 3,000 miles. This wasteful myth makes you look like you're throwing money away. Modern synthetic oils last 7,500 to 15,000 miles in newer engines. Following this myth means changing oil twice as often as needed while looking like you don't understand automotive technology advances from the past 30 years. Car myth number 13. Engine shutoffs at lights waste fuel. This myth makes you look like you're driving an 80s car. Modern fuel-injected engines only use 1.2 milliliters when starting versus carbureted engines that use 20 to 40% more fuel. Turn off engines idling longer than 10 seconds to save fuel. Start-stop technology reduces consumption by 10 to 26%. Car myth number 14. Auto parts stores give accurate free diagnostics. This naive myth makes you look gullible. Stores offer free diagnostics to sell parts, providing basic scans that show problems but not causes. Engine misfire codes could indicate spark plugs, coils, or fuel issues. Without knowing root causes, you buy unnecessary parts while looking like an easy target for sales pressure.
Yeah, boy.
Car myth number 15. Hybrids are expensive to maintain. This technophobic myth makes you miss fuel savings and reliability. While hybrid batteries cost more initially, they last 15 years versus regular batteries needing replacement every 3 years. Hybrids require fewer oil changes and brake replacements. Generous warranties cover major components, making you look afraid of proven technology. Car myth number 16. AC always uses more gas than windows. This myth ignores aerodynamics. At highway speeds, window drag consumes more fuel than air conditioning. At 55 miles per hour, windows down reduces economy 20%, while AC only drops it 10%. The crossover point is 45 miles per hour. Use recirculation features for maximum efficiency instead of looking physics challenged. Car myth number 17. Fuel additives clean engines like new. This marketing myth makes you fall for advertising hype. Most additives don't deliver promised results, and none clean engines like new. Top-tier gasoline costs 3 cents more per gallon and contains manufacturer-backed detergents that prevent deposits. You look like you believe commercials instead of understanding prevention beats cure. Bonus dangerous. Myth: seat belts are less safe in accidents. The most dangerous myth that could kill you? Some fear seat belts trap occupants in burning cars, or that ejection is safer than restraint. Less than 0.5% of accidents involve fire or water, but seat belts saved 15,000 lives in 2017. 50% of fatalities were unbuckled. This doesn't just make you look foolish. It makes you look reckless with human life. I bet half of you think I'm lying about this one. Prove me wrong in the comments. These myths persist because they sound logical or worked with older technology, but following them makes you look completely out of touch with modern automotive reality. Smart drivers research facts instead of believing outdated folklore that makes them appear ignorant to knowledgeable enthusiasts and mechanics. Which myth shocked you the most? Drop a comment and let me know which ones you used to believe. If this video just saved you from looking like a fool at gas stations and repair shops, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider automotive secrets.